Hello everyone, today I show you how to use REVOLVE in AutoCAD 2021 here. So when you open, just click Get Started. So I'm gonna lock it, lock here. Example, I draw this one, 5, 5, 5, 5. Example, 5, 5, 5, like this. I draw another line here. Yeah. So I join this one. So first, you need to go to top here and select SWS isometric here. So write a command in revolve here or EVE. Select this one, enter, select this end and this start. Okay, let's go. So type 360 to make it rounded. Go to the here to the wireframe, go to shape. So yeah, you got it. Very nice. Yeah, that's all for using REVOLVE. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.